Hello guys, in this video we will begin building our YouTube channels from scratch. What we need first is to create YouTube channel. I think you know how to do it by yourself. If not, let me know in the comments and I will help you out. We gonna need to create some logos. I will leave a link where I created mine. When you have your logo, upload it to your channel. We need to make our channels look good by adding some information to our channels. I hope you have read my free ebook from first video. If not, go to my intro video and the link is in the description. You will know how to set your YouTube channel correctly. Let's move on. We going to need some tools to begin creating content. First tool is talking avatar like me, or you can film yourself and continue with your own face. It's up to you, but if you want to create content just like this, the link is in the description for many avatars. Once you have your YouTube channel which is set up, and your talking avatar, we will need another tool to record our screens and edit your videos. I will leave a link for software which I use myself. If you use my link, you will be brought to page where you can spin wheel for a discount. Of course, you can use your own software to record and edit your videos. This link is an affiliate link. You will have a chance to get a 15% off your one-time payment. How to set up your affiliate links and how to get them I will show you in another video. Let's jump to my computer to see how to use your own avatar. When you click a link in the description, you will land in avatar site. Create an account with them. Choose avatar you like from this long avatar list. Now click audio here, and then text to speech right here. Choose your voice from list right here. You can listen for samples right here. Now type in your short introduction about yourself, and download your sample to your computer. Once you have your file, it's time to edit it. Open your video editor software. Now to add media files, you have to click add media files right here. Choose your intro video you've just created and click open. You will need another short intro like this to combine two of the videos. Let's put some transition in between the videos. Click here to choose transitions, apply by dragging it in between two videos. Now click on export. Congratulations, you've just created your first introduction video. Now you can upload it to your YouTube channel you created before. Thank you for watching this short video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how is it going for you in the comments section below. In the next video I will show you how to get your affiliate links and how you can promote them with free traffic source. See you in the next video.